Hello everyone, in this video we're going to find the value of n if it's given the following equation, and also here n belongs to natural numbers. Let's start. As you can see, first of all, to solve this problem we have to simplify the left hand side of this equation. So now I'm going to start with numerator. Let me rewrite the numerator as it is here. So 1 plus 3 plus, and here the third term we can clearly see that 5 and plus so on, plus 2n minus 1. Now this is an arithmetic sequence where we have to find the sum. So now to find the sum we have to use the following formula. If we have a term such a1, a2 and so on an, then to find the sum of the following arithmetic sequence we have to add first term and the last term and divide by 2 and times the number of terms. So using this formula now we can easily find the sum, and in our case we see that the first term is 1, the last term is 2n minus 1 divided by 2 and number of terms here n. So therefore this one is equal to, we see that 1 minus 1 give us 0, so therefore 2n divided by 2 times n, here 2 will be cancelled and we'll get here n squared. So now we found the sum of the 1 plus 3 plus 5 and so on to n minus 1, so which is equal to n squared. Now let's work with denominator. So let me rewrite the denominator as it is, 1 over 2 plus 1 over 6 plus 1 over 12 plus and so on plus 1 over 342 is equal to, now we can express the following sum as follow: 1 over 1 times 2 plus 1 over 2 times 3 plus 1 over 3 times 4 plus so on plus 1 over 18 times 19. Now note that we can, for instance, for 1 over 1 times 2 express as 1 minus 1 over 2, and for 1 over 2 times 3, so this fraction can be written as 1 over 2 minus 1 over 3, and here in the same manner 1 over 3 times 4 can be written as 1 over 3 minus 1 over 4, and so on. Here 1 over 18 times 19 can be written as 1 over 18 minus 1 over 19. So which means that the sum of the following fractions can be written as, so let me write here, 1 over 2 plus 1 over 6 plus 1 over 12 plus and so on plus 1 over 342 is equal to 1 minus, so we see that this one 1 over 2, and 1 over 6 can be written as plus 1 over 2 minus 1 over 3, and 1 over 12 as you can see plus 1 over 3 minus 1 over 4 plus and so on. So we see that 342 can be written as 1 over 18 minus 1 over 19. So now we can easily see that here these terms will be cancelled, and before 1 over 18 we have minus 1 over 18, so therefore this is going to be also cancelled, and this is going to be equivalent to 1 minus 1 over 19, so which is equal to 18 over 19. So as you can see here, this one was n squared and this is equal to 18 over 19. Therefore we have a new equation after simplification: n squared divided by 18 over 19 is equal to 342. Now this is going to be equivalent to, here we see that this is going to be to the numerator and we have to multiply 18 by 342. So therefore this equation is equivalent to 19n squared is equal to 18 times 342. So Okay, let me here factor this 342 as follow: 18 times 18 times 19. So therefore our equation will look like this: 19 and square is equal to 18 times 18 times 19. So here 19 will be cancelled, and this equation is equivalent to n squared is equal to 18 times 18 is 18 squared. So as you remember here, n belongs to natural numbers, so therefore n cannot be negative. So here we'll get simply n is equal to 18. And as you can see, this is our final answer. Thank you for watching. Please comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel.